A very good morning to our respected Principal Raina ma'am, Vice Principal Sharmila ma'am, Coordinator Dipti Chandrika ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, grade 8A and 8B heartily welcome you to our class assembly. We are really looking forward to your hearty participation and hoping that you will have a really good time.
Now, let us start the assembly by solemnly connecting to the Almighty and carry ourselves forward with strength, character, and dignity, today and every day.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले एक रास्ते पे हम चले एक रास्ते में हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
Now let us put our right hands forward and get ready for the pledge. Let us once again honor our commitment to our country. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Do you know which was the first newspaper of the world? It was a weekly newspaper called The Relation, which was published in 1605 in Germany. With this trivia, let us start the news.
National news. The SIR Special Intensive Revision Verification is going on across the country and consequently thousands of illegal immigrants are being forced to go back to their own countries.
International news. The US President Sir Donald Trump said that the US will boycott the G20 summit in South Africa this year, citing the ill treatment of white farmers.
Sports news. India shines again at the ISSF World Championship, winning a bronze in rifle shooting and free pistol events.
Weather reporter. Maximum temperature will be 28 degrees centigrade. Minimum temperature is 18 degrees centigrade. It is expected to be mostly cloudy and windy.
Now friends, let us come to the word for the day. It is bucolic. I repeat, bucolic. Bucolic. It means the peaceful and beautiful atmosphere of rural areas. We can use this word in a sentence as, the bucolic charm of Indian villages is truly captivating. This special word bucolic is connected to the theme of our assembly, the rustic India. It serves as its ornamental synonym.
Thought of the day. Mahatma Gandhi had said, the soul of India lies in its villages. I repeat, the soul of India lies in its villages. Hence, if you want to know India, you must know its rural areas. That is, the life in the villages and small towns. And this connects with our assembly's theme.
DPS New. DPS Miyapur is all set to gear up for his annual sports day, which is to be celebrated on 23rd December 2025.
It is time for the main part of our program. The theme for our assembly is a very unique one. The rustic India, capturing the essence of life in rural India. We hope you will be able to smell the scent of its soil, experience the richness of its culture and traditions. We, the students of 8A and 8B, begin this journey by taking you to Rajasthan, the land of royals, forts and palaces.
We have always known Rajasthan as the land of kings and warriors, but Rajasthan has an immense treasure of its rural heritage as well that contributes to the identity of our country, India. For example, Rajasthan is incomplete without its forts, but it's also incomplete without the folk dances under the moonlight on desert sands.
छुप छुप ना जाओ जी, मन बीत कराओ जी, अरे क्यों तरसावे हो, मन शकल दिखाओ जी, हरी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी, हर चले उन्हें बंगा दी मैं कह लगे, मर कीवड़ में जागी दो कणी है चंदा में भारी चांदनी मन दामन में बाती खुशी रे झुम 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 ओ मर कीवड़ में जागी दो कणी है चंदा में भारी चांदनी मन दामन में बाती खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम। अरे बड़े में जागी तो कणी चंदा में भारी चांदनी मन दामन में बाती को दिखे झुम 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 हमारे की बड़े में जागी तो कणी चंदा में भारी चांदनी मन दामन में बाती को दिखे झुम 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 da 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 da
So, let us take a dip into the sweetness of rural glory of Rajasthan. Come to Pushkar, a small rural town in Ajmer district of Rajasthan, having a great spiritual significance and exciting stories to share with you all. So, do you want to join us on this journey to Rajasthan? Mind you are not alone. You have two more friends, Karan and Katha, who are visiting their Badi Dadi, their grandmother's elder sister, who lives in Pushkar for the very first time. So, are you ready? Let's go.
Dadi, we heard a lot about Pushkar from Dad, but it just seems like a small rural town to us. What's so special about it, Dadi?
You cannot understand Pushkar in one day, my dear. You have to stay and explore it to get a feel of its unique essence. Pushkar is endowed with a very unusual spiritual aura, something which you can feel deep inside your heart. It's one of the oldest towns of India and is called the site of Brahma.
Brahma? Really? Dadi, who believes in gods nowadays? In fact, I never even wanted to come here in the first place, but Dad forced us.
I understand, dear. You're the children of this modern generation, but there's something that you have got to feel. And it's good that you have come during this auspicious time of Kartik Purnima, where thousands visit the lake, believing a dip can cleanse their sins and cure their diseases. And even the famous Pushkar fair takes place at this time.
I really don't have time for all this. I'm very tired and I'm having a terrible headache. I need to go sleep right now. Good night, Dadi.
Good night.
Please don't mind, Dadi. I don't know why. She has been so rude and indifferent nowadays. She has also stopped smiling too. And the latest addition is the terrible headache she complains of. She needs to relax.
Oh, I see. But don't you worry, Karan. I have a strong feeling that she will get better very soon. Now, you two should go and sleep as we have to wake up early in the morning to visit the Brahma temple and the Pushkar lake.
The next morning, all three of them visit the great Brahma temple and the famous Pushkar lake. Katha is clearly not interested, but somehow tags along with Dadi. Karan, though, is very interested and keeps bombarding Dadi with his questions.
Dadi, you said that Pushkar is also known as the site of Brahma. Can you tell me why?
After we visit the temple, there's a surprise waiting for you. And as the surprise unfolds, you will get the answer to your question that why Pushkar is called the site of Brahma.
What surprise, Dadi?
Just wait and watch, my dear. Sabar ka fal meetha hota hai.
So, after visiting the temple, all three of them gathered just outside the temple courtyard, where they see people in colorful dresses and makeup. Katha and Karan wondered what were they up to.
Daddy, what are all these people here for?
They are going to perform a play now. Beti, in small rural towns of Rajasthan, such street plays are performed based on different themes with different names at different places. Here in Ajmer, they are known as khayals, which are street plays based on mythological themes.
So, are we going to witness a khayal now? So, this was the surprise you're talking about, right?
Yes, and after this khayal, you will get the answer to your question.
सुनो भाई पुष्कर की कहानी, सुनो बहन पुष्कर की कहानी, रेत पे बसी पर दिल में बसती, सुनो तुम इस नगरी की जुबानी।
कोई था एक समय पुराना जब हुआ करता था एक दानव जो था बहुत ही डरावना। वज्रनाभ नाम था उसका भयंकर, करता था अन्याय अत्याचार।
ब्रह्मा ने देखा पाप का साया, वज्रनाभ पर उनका रोष चमकाया।
वज्रनाभ बंद कर अपना अत्याचार।
नहीं ब्रह्मा जी, मैं ना करूंगा हार स्वीकार।
क्रोध से ज्वलित हुए ब्रह्मा महाराज वज्रनाभ को करने चले सर्वनाश।
फूल बना शस्त्र ब्रह्मा का, दानव हुआ घायल और उसका अंत हुआ।
फिर कमल की पंखुड़ियां गिरी जहां पे, वहीं पे पुष्कर का जन्म हुआ। जल निकला धरती के सीने से, पवित्र स्रोतों का संगम हुआ।
फिर ब्रह्मा जी ने बोला,
मैं अब यहाँ पुष्कर के पास बैठ के यज्ञ करूंगा, इस पवित्र भूमि को अपनी तपस्या से उज्जवल करूंगा। ओम।
पर कथा यही थोड़ी सी बदलती, आ गई सावित्री माँ ब्रह्मा की पत्नी।
ब्रह्मा जी, आपने मुझे भी ना बुलाया, यज्ञ कैसे रचाया?
और क्रोध में आकर श्राप सुनाया।
अब कोई ना पूछेगा आपका नाम, सिर्फ पुष्कर में रहेगा आपका धाम।
इसीलिए आज भी सारे जहां में ब्रह्मा का मंदिर बस यहीं पर मिले।
यह तालाब, यह घाट, भक्ति और श्रद्धा का संगम, साधु संत विदेशी मेहमान सबको यहीं पे मिलते हैं भगवान।
हर यात्री जो आता है अपनी आत्मा को पाता है।
तो यह थी हमारी पुष्कर की कहानी,
भक्ति की परंपरा पुरानी।
जो कभी पुष्कर आएगा कभी नहीं भूल पाएगा, जो कभी पुष्कर आएगा कभी नहीं भूल पाएगा।
Wow, that was great, Dadi.
And I guess now you have got the answer to your question, right?
Yes, Dadi. This is the only place where Brahma is worshipped and has the only Brahma temple in the world. Katha, did you like the khiyal?
It was all okay. But as usual, I'm having a terrible headache. Let's go home now.
Wait, dear. Before going home, we will take a dip at the Pushkar lake. Let's go.
On the way to the lake, Dadi suddenly realized she had forgotten the Aarti Tali and went back with Karan, leaving Katha by the shore. There, Katha saw a man performing Aarti with deep devotion and a peaceful smile. After the Aarti, Katha approached him to talk.
Bhaiya, you looked so happy and peaceful while doing the aarti. Is there any reason behind it, or is it just bhakti?
I can understand, sister, but I really can't explain. Maybe you won't believe me, but my life was saved by the pious waters of this lake.
Your life was saved? How?
Look at my hands. I used to have wounds from leprosy. I tried every doctor, but no one could help. Then I heard about Pushkar and its holy lake. So, with great hope and faith, I took a dip. And gradually, my wounds started to heal. And they completely disappeared in about a month. And as you see, I do not have leprosy anymore.
What? But that's impossible.
No, sister, it's very much possible, and I am a living example. This place is really blessed with huge spiritual energy, and though it's difficult to believe, but miracles still do happen. Okay, sister, I have to go now. Enjoy your time at Pushkar. I hope you have a divine experience too.
Okay, Bhaiya, thank you.
Katha was taken aback by the experience. She kept thinking about it. Meanwhile, Dadi and Karan came back. Thereafter, all of them took a dip at the holy Pushkar lake.
Nothing miraculous happened, but somehow Katha felt quite refreshed and rejuvenated. And in some time, when they were on their way back home, she noticed something striking.
Dadi, you know what? I feel that my headache has suddenly reduced a lot. It's really surprising, you know.
Oh, really? Well, that's the magic of Pushkar, Betty.
In the evening, Daddy took Katha and Karan to the famous Pushkar fair. They were amazed to see so many people visiting the fair.
Wow, Daddy, this fair seems to be a very popular one. Yes, it's one of the biggest fairs in India.
At a distance, they could hear a song being played. As they went near to see it, they could see a group performing a song on the wonders of Rajasthan.
That was such a beautiful song. I loved it very much.
बांधनी साड़ी ले लो, बांधनी साड़ी ले लो.
What are Bandhani saris, Daddy? Why such a name, Bandhani? Why don't you ask the vendor herself? बेटी थोड़ा इसको बताइए तो कि साड़ी का नाम बांधनी क्यों है?
ज़रूर बताएंगे. बांधनी का नाम बंधेज से आता है, जो राजस्थान का सबसे मशहूर साड़ी है और ये लास्ट 5000 साल से चलता आ रहा है. ये शब्द बंधन से आता है जिसका मतलब है टूटा है. जब ये कपड़े रंगे जाते हैं तब इस पे गांठ बांधी जाती है जिससे इस पे सफ़ेद बूटे बन जाते हैं और ये कपड़ा और सुंदर लगता है. देखिए. गुड. अजमेर सबसे अच्छी जगह है ये साड़ी लेने के लिए और पुष्कर का मेला तो बहुत ज़बरदस्त जगह है. आपको इतनी सारी वैरायटी पूरे भारत में कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. और
अच्छा, can you give me this sari? I want to buy this for my dear granddaughter.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Acha, badi Dadi, I can see a lot of cattle and camels here. Can you tell me why? Pushkar Fair is the place where greatest number of camels, cattle and other livestock are sold. And the most interesting aspect of this fair is the camel race, where music is played and camels dressed in beautiful robes race against one another.
Dal bati churma.
What is dal bati churma, bhaiya?
It is a famous Rajasthani dish made out of dal, lentils, bati, big weight balls with ghee, and churma, sweet crunchy cereal with jaggery, sweet, spicy and crispy.
Can we taste it?
Yes, of course.
It's so sumptuous. I love it.
You know what, Daddy? After such a long time, I'm seeing Katha smiling and enjoying genuinely. I'm so glad we came over here.
Yes, Dadi. I don't know what has changed in me, but I suddenly feel happy and refreshed. It's very happy and refreshing to be such a happy girl.
सुनिए सुनिए सुनिए, कल बेलिया डांस के लिए तैयार हो जाइए. स्टेज के पास आओ, स्टेज के पास आओ.
What is Kalbelia dance, Dadi?
Kalbelia dance? It's a dance without which Pushkar Mela is never complete. It was a dance originated from the snake charmers of Rajasthan and has now become one of the folk dances. Come, let's go.
So, this is how Katha, Karan and Badi Dadi enjoyed the very spirit of Pushkar, the place whose holiness can uplift the human soul from its body, the place which can heal us from diseases as well as deep sadness or traumas that have lingered in us for years and years.
Pushkar really touched us with his magic wand to help us rediscover ourselves, to connect to the higher power, the divinity, the calling of our souls.
So we see, friends, the spirit of rustic India is rightly reflected by Pushkar, a ruler as well as a spiritual paradise.
So, dear audience, let us all end this program together on this happy note by enjoying the
कल बेलिए डांस of the Pushkar fair. Let us all enjoy it together.
Dear audience, I hope you all enjoyed our program. So now, I would like to request Miss Sharmila ma'am to share her thoughts about our assembly. Ma'am, please.
Good morning. I think 8A and B deserve a huge round of applause. I thank the class teachers for putting up a wonderful show and the number of props that they have used. They have used lot of props. They have brought even camels also here. And the girl who has done all those feats here, though she could not balance because of the flooring, because this is a smooth flooring, but still they have all done a wonderful job. And the dance, the song, the prayer, and all the characters that they have enacted, they have all brought life to whatever they have done. So my compliments to all the children. And actually I also want to thank the parents for sending them in these attire which is suitable for the theme. And of course, all the characters, especially Katha, she has lived in that character. Initially, you know, she was somber, and then later on she has graduated, and then finally there could be smile. We could see smile on her face. So Pushkar has brought a change in her. So that is India for all of us. Ek Bharat, Shresht Bharat. That is what we learn, and that is what India stands for. And I'm eagerly looking forward to more assemblies of grade 8. And all those who are sitting there, you will have your turn to stand and perform here, and you will understand standing before the audience and performing is a task in itself. And this is the learning that we are trying to give you here in the campus. So you will know what is stage presence. You can make out the difference when children are performing, who has got the stage presence, who do not have the stage presence. So this is the important characteristics that we are trying to inculcate. This is the discipline that we are trying to bring in. And the performance, whatever is done here, it is not individual, it is a team effort. So ultimately, though we may be individuals, we will only shine when we work in the team along with the team. So collaboration and teamwork are the key takeaways after this performance. So I thank Chandrika ma'am also for her continuous guidance for conducting this assembly. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. They really mean a lot to us. Thank you, Sharmila ma'am, again for gracing the event with your warm and loving presence. We would also like to thank our coordinator, Deepthi Chandrika ma'am, for her unstinted support throughout this assembly. We would also like to thank the art department for helping us with the props, the music department for guiding us with our songs, and Bala sir for the audio system arrangement. Last but not the least, I would like to thank you, my friends, for giving us 8A and 8B your love, support, and engagement throughout this assembly. Thank you.